Good day, fourth grade. I hope you're all doing well. I miss you so much. Here is our morning verse. The sun with loving light makes bright for me each day. My soul with spirit power gives strength unto my limbs. In sunlight shining clear, I revere the strength of humankind, which has been graciously planted in my soul, that I, with all my might, may love to work and learn. From the earth stream light and strength, and I return my love and thanks. So I wanted to begin with a song that you all know, and I hope you sing it along with me, Rise Up, O Flame. I know Kenza loves this song, and I know a lot of the rest of you do as well. Rise up, O flame, by thy light glowing, bring to us beauty, vision, and joy. Rise up, O flame, by thy light glowing, bring to us beauty, vision, and joy. All right. This one, I know my class knows it. I'm not sure if I've sung this with the other fourth grade, but I think you'll like it. Try to do the motions with me. It's called Peace Like a River. I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like a river in my soul. I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like a river in my soul. I've got joy like a fountain, I've got joy like a fountain, I've got joy like a fountain in my soul. I've got joy like a fountain, I've got joy like a fountain, I've got joy like a fountain in my soul. I've got love like an ocean, I've got love like an ocean, I've got love like an ocean in my soul. I've got love like an ocean, I've got love like an ocean, I've got love like an ocean in my soul. So the other song that I have for you is a song that we've done together many times. And I did this Kumalama song for everybody. I think we did it for the 5th grade and the 4th grade, and we came in your class and did it, and we've done it in some other classes. This is another version of that song. I call it the new Kumalama, and we did it a little bit in our class, but not a lot. So I'd like to do that with you today. Kumalama, 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 Fista. Whoa, no, 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 not the Fista, Fista. Eeny, meeny, dassalini, ooh-ah-ah, malini, archie-cutchie-coo-rachi, ooh-ah-oh, ish-diddly-oat and dot and bo-bo, bidit and dot and wat and tot. Let me do that again. It's hard to do sometimes. Okay. Kumalama, 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 Fista. Whoa, no, 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 not the Fista, Fista. Eeny, meeny, dassalini, ooh-ah-ah, malini, archie-cutchie-coo-rachi, ooh-ah-oh, ish-diddly-oat and dot and bo-bo, bidit and dot and wat and tot. It's a fun song. Okay, now I have a poem for you. It's actually a riddle written like a poem, and some of you will remember what it is. I'm not going to tell you what it is until the end of the poem. So let's get started. This poem has a lot of alliteration, which we'll be doing this week with our poetry. Alliteration is when the first letters of words start with the same letter. The words have the same letter at the beginning. So look for that in this poem, okay? All right. I war with the wind, with the waves I wrestle. I must baffle with both when the bottom I seek, my strange habitation by surges o'erroofed. I am strong in the strife, while still I remain. As soon as I stir, they are stronger than I. They wrench and they wrest till I run from my foes. What was put in my keeping they carry away. If my back be not broken, I baffle them still. The rocks are my helpers when hard I am pressed. Grimly I grip them. Guess what I'm called. See if you think of it. It has to do with water and a ship. Yeah, it's an anchor holding a ship down. Okay, so I have a poem from Shel Silverstein. I love Shel Silverstein. I had to read a poem for you today. This one I thought you would like. My dad gave me a $1 bill because I'm his smartest son. And I swapped it for 2 shiny quarters because 2 is more than 1. Then I took the quarters and traded them to Lou for 3 dimes. I guess he don't know that 3 is more than 2. Just then along came old blind Bates, and just because he can't see, he gave me 4 nickels for my 3 dimes. And 4 is more than 3. And I took the nickels to Hiram Coombe down at the Good Feed store, and the fool gave me 5 pennies for them. And 5 is more than 4. And then I went and showed my dad. He got red in the cheeks and closed his eyes and shook his head, too proud of me to speak. That's a funny poem. If you know your money, you'll know why. I hope you know why. Think about it and listen to it again if you don't know. But I'm sure all of you do. Here's a tongue twister or 2 for you. Okay, I like this one. A flea and a fly in a flue were imprisoned, so what could they do? Said the fly, let us flee. Said the flea, let us fly. So they flew through a flaw in the flue. Let's do it together. A flea and a fly in a flue were imprisoned, so what could they do? Said the fly, let us flee. Said the flea, let us fly. So they flew through a flaw in the flue. Okay, let's see. How about this one? Swan swam over the sea. Swim, swan, swim. Swan swam back again. Well swum, swan. Okay, together. Swan swam over the sea. Swim, swan, swim. Swan swam back again. Well swum, swan. Okay. Let's see. Shall I read another one? Let's do one. This is a short one. 3 gray geese in a green field grazing. Gray were the geese and green was the grazing. This uses alliteration. I'm sure you can hear that. Let's do this together. 3 gray geese in a green field grazing.